Are you trying to block things from showing up in SharePoint Search? Maybe it's a list of application settings. Maybe it's a list of approvers for a workflow. I'm going to show you how easy this is. You could easily block entire sites, maybe just a list or a library, so that those items don't show up in your SharePoint Search. I'm Steve Gorey. Join me and let's dive into this. So for this example, I've got an old accounting site and I want to make sure that nobody can come across these files if they're searching SharePoint. So for this, I'm just going to go up to the gear icon. I'm going to go to Site Information and View All Site Settings. Now from here, we're going to go down into the Search section and click on Search and Offline Availability. Now, one of the options here is at the very top, Indexing Site Content. Now, this will allow anything on the site as well as the site itself to appear in search results. If we want to hide this site, just click No and OK. And that's it. Allow a little bit of time for search to purge the items from the search index, and the site will be effectively hidden, except for those who know where it is. So for the next example, I do want the site to show up in search, but maybe I want to hide a document library. So let's go into a document library. We're going to go up to the gear icon, into library settings this time, in more library settings. And here we want to go into advanced settings. So we're going to click on that and scroll down just a little bit and you'll see a search option here. Allow items from this document library to appear in search results. So for this, we're just going to click No and then click the OK button. Again, allow a little bit of time for SharePoint to purge it from the index, but then that's it. If you got value from this video, please click that like button and subscribe for more content like this.